Let me show you how to change perspectives in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the box to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the shoe box from its background. Name the top layer, Box. Go to File. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Go to Edit. And Perspective Warp. Now all you have to do is to click, hold and drag to create a new plane. Do this on side of the box. Then just do the same thing to create another plane. And just do the same method for the last side of the box. Click Warp at the top. Then decrease the opacity. Now all you have to do is use these points to distort the design and match it to your boxes. Press Enter on your keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click and create clipping mask. Now change the blend mode of this layer from normal to linear burn. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 1.5 pixels. Click on the adjustment layer and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose white. Double-click on this and rename it Highlights. Then right-click and create clipping mask. Change the blend mode from normal to soft light. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Click OK once you're satisfied. And that's it. Hope you liked it.